Have you ever wondered what happens when you start eating peanut butter every day? It's a simple question, but the answer might surprise you. Peanut butter, a creamy and delicious spread, has a long and fascinating history that dates back to the ancient Incas and Aztecs. Over the centuries, it has evolved and found its way into our kitchens, becoming a staple in many diets around the globe. Peanut butter is more than just a tasty treat. It's packed with a powerhouse of nutrients and potential health benefits that can transform your everyday life. From its rich, nutty flavor to its creamy, irresistible texture, peanut butter is a delight to the senses. But what makes it a true superstar is what's hidden beneath its humble exterior. If you're curious about the magic of this everyday delight, you're in the right place. So buckle up, peanut butter enthusiasts. Stay tuned as we unpack the amazing benefits of consuming peanut butter daily. Firstly, let's dive into the nutritional profile of peanut butter. When we think of peanut butter, we often picture it as a delicious spread on our breakfast toast or the perfect partner for jelly in our sandwiches. But peanut butter is more than just a tasty treat. It's a powerhouse of nutrition, packed to the brim with essential nutrients that our bodies crave. One of the standout features of peanut butter is its high protein content. In every 2 tablespoon serving, you're getting about 7 grams of protein. This makes it an excellent source of plant-based protein, which is particularly beneficial for vegetarians and vegans. But protein isn't the only thing peanut butter brings to the table. It's also a fantastic source of healthy fats. About half of the fat in peanut butter is made up of monounsaturated fats, the kind that's good for our heart health. These fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol, contributing to a healthier cardiovascular system. Peanut butter also impresses with its fiber content. A serving provides you with about 2 grams of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and contributing to feelings of fullness, which can be helpful for those looking to manage their weight. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Peanut butter provides a good amount of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that can help protect our cells from damage. It also contains other essential nutrients like magnesium, which is crucial for bone health, and potassium, a mineral that helps regulate fluid balance and nerve signals in our bodies. However, it's important to note that while peanut butter is nutrient-dense, it is also calorie-dense. A single serving can contain around 200 calories. So while it's packed with goodness, it's something to be mindful of, especially if you're watching your calorie intake. So, with such a nutritional punch, what benefits can you expect when you eat peanut butter every day? A peanut butter packs more than just a flavorful punch, it's also loaded with health benefits. This creamy, nutty spread is not just a delicious treat for our taste buds, but it also offers a plethora of health benefits when consumed in moderation. Firstly, let's talk about heart health. Peanut butter is rich in monounsaturated fats, the kind that's good for your heart. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels and increase the good ones, thus promoting a healthy heart. They also help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Moving on, peanut butter can also be a fantastic ally in weight management. Yes, you heard it right. While peanut butter is high in calories, it's also packed with protein and fiber that can keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. This might result in you eating less overall, which can aid in weight management. Next, let's discuss blood sugar control. Peanut butter is a low glycemic index food, which means it doesn't cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels. This makes it an excellent choice for those trying to manage their blood sugar levels, including people with diabetes. Moreover, peanut butter could play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It's loaded with antioxidants like vitamin E, which helps combat free radicals in the body, potentially reducing the risk of certain cancers and other chronic diseases. Additionally, the niacin found in peanut butter plays a crucial role in brain health and could potentially protect against Alzheimer's disease. And the magnesium in it not only supports bone health, but also helps in muscle recovery and sleep quality. So it's clear that peanut butter is more than just a tasty sandwich spread. It's a powerful superfood that, when incorporated into a balanced diet, can contribute significantly to your overall health. But that's not all. There are even more surprising benefits of peanut butter. Stay tuned to find out more about this versatile and nutritious pantry staple. Apart from the obvious health benefits, there are some surprising perks to eating peanut butter every day. Let's explore some of these hidden gems. Firstly, did you know that peanut butter can contribute to radiant, glowing skin? Yes, you heard that right. The high levels of vitamins B and E found in peanut butter help maintain healthy skin. Vitamin E works as an antioxidant, protecting your skin from damaging free radicals, while vitamin B aids in improving your skin's elasticity, reducing wrinkles, and promoting a youthful appearance. Next, let's talk about moods. Peanut butter is a good source of tryptophan, an essential amino acid that plays a crucial role in the production of serotonin, our body's natural mood regulator. So, the next time you're feeling a bit blue, a spoonful of peanut butter might just be the pick-me-up you need. And for all the fitness enthusiasts out there, peanut butter is your ally. It's packed with protein, which is essential for muscle recovery and growth. This makes it an excellent post-workout snack. The healthy fats and fiber in peanut butter also provide a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management. So, whether you're slathering it on your toast, blending it in your smoothie, or simply scooping it straight from the jar, peanut butter is more than just a tasty treat. It's a powerhouse of surprising benefits. But remember, moderation is key. While peanut butter is beneficial, it's important to consume it in moderation. Its high-calorie content means that portion control is key. You can easily incorporate it into a balanced diet by spreading it on whole grain toast for breakfast, adding it to your protein shakes, or using it as a dip for fruits. So there you have it. Now you know what happens when you start eating peanut butter every day. It's more than just a tasty treat. It's a nutritional powerhouse with numerous health benefits.